Hey, what's up guys? It's Cody of FlexZero, and in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to hide your game peripheral wires by drilling holes in your desk. So let's get into it. Alright, so first I should tell you that me and my friend made this desk about 2 years ago with some 2x4s for the sides and 2x12s for the top. Believe it or not, this desk used to look really good. We used wood filler in the cracks and sanded it down really good. But now, as you can see, everywhere I use wood filler is cracked, and now the desk has big cracks going through it. With that being said, I don't feel bad for what I'm about to do to it. A big reason it's been 2 years and I haven't done this yet is I really didn't know where to put the holes at. Now I don't feel like I'm going to be moving things around on this desk anymore, so it is what it is. Now on my desk currently is a Blue Yeti mic, a Razer keyboard, and a Logitech mouse. That means I'm gonna need to drill not 1, not 2, but 3 holes in this beautiful wood grain finish. Now with the Blue Yeti mic, I can make a smaller hole because it disconnects at the base of the mic. However, for the keyboard and the mouse, I'll need to make a bigger hole because the USB in has to go through the hole. Now I'm gonna take some masking tape and put masking tape in the area of where the holes are gonna be. Now I'm doing this for 2 reasons. 1, so I don't scratch the rest of the desk in the process of drilling the holes. And 2, so I can see where I marked the holes with a Sharpie at. Now before I go get the drill, I think I'm gonna take everything off of the desk so I don't get anything dusty. Alright, so I went and get the drill, and I haven't used this thing in like 10 years, so I don't even know if it still works. But I guess we're gonna find out. Alright, so I'm about to show you guys the finished product of me drilling the holes. You might think it looks good or bad or horrible, but the point is, it works. It hides those wires. Now, when I get an IKEA desk, I don't know if I'll be brave enough to do this, but in this case, I'm not gonna use this desk much longer, so. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please hit the like and subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.